Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I am going to show you how to make Fortnite in Infinite Craft. So let's get started. So the first thing that we will need is we're going to go for fire and water and combine them so that we would have steam. And then the next is we're going to combine fire with steam right here to produce engine. And once you have engine, the next thing that you're going to do is produce another engine and combine it right here so that you would have rocket. And then once you have rocket, is that you want to combine another rocket with rocket to produce satellite. And then the next thing is you want to put engine right here and go for steam and combine it with engine to produce train. And then after that, you want to go into rocket right here and combine it with train to create bullet train. And once you have bullet train, you want to combine it with satellite to create internet. And then once you have internet, you want to produce steam and another steam to create cloud. And then from here you want to go for earth, and then from here you want to go with wind and then combine it with earth to create dust, and then go with water and put it into dust to create mud. And after that you want to go for fire and combine it with mud to create brick, and then you want to go and combine cloud with brick so that you would have castle, and then combine castle with internet, and boom, you now have Fortnite. So that's very easy, and that is basically it for this video.